Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to bring you along throughout a couple of days of different things, getting things done. I have a grocery pickup order. I want to reorganize my fridge and do some organizing in my cabinet for snacks in my snack drawer, and just get a couple things done, show some fun homemade shakes that we made, and yeah, different things like that. So kind of just like a few days in the life, just like some random things that I'm getting done and I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Okay, so we just did a Walmart pickup for some fill-in stuff for the week, and a Target pickup. From Target, I just got this shampoo and conditioner. I like to use this brand, so I grabbed that. And then the rest of this stuff is from Walmart. So we got some hand soap, another picture frame for another big Pokemon card that my boys have that they want hung up in their room. All their picture frames in their room look like this. I'm sure you've seen it in my videos, and so I wanted to get the matching one, so I got that one. Then we got some treats for our dog, carrots, lettuce, bell peppers, and then some fudge stripe cookies, some shortbread cookies. We love these. These are just like pecan sandies, and they're so delicious. Some pretzel sticks, some strawberry syrup, pudding. This is the family pack that comes with milk chocolate and chocolate fudge and milk chocolate swirl, mint chocolate chip ice cream, cookies and cream, 2 roaring waters because my boys fly through those, especially my little one, some pancake and sausages on a stick, some buttermilk biscuits. Sorry, I don't know why I keep saying some. Buttermilk biscuits, strawberry yogurt, lactose-free milk, regular milk, Irish cream coffee creamer. It is delicious. More butter, Reese Pieces eggs. These are so yummy, and I thought these would be cute to put out in a little dish to go along with my spring and Easter decor. True lemon watermelon, and some fruit strips, pineapple juice. Lastly, we just grabbed some raspberry bubbly and watermelon bubbly, and that was it. Like I said, this is just a fill-in. I have tons of stuff from my ALDI stock haul and my COSTCO haul on hand. So this was just a couple things we needed now to put it all away.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, we're playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild moves. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wild moves. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, we're playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild moves. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wild moves. I got a little crush on you. we just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again, taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of.
So every Friday night, my family and I have a family movie night, And tonight we were watching the new Spider-Man, which ended up being really, really good. But I wanted to make a little treat for us, and so I am making some chocolate Andes mince milkshakes. And I was making 3 of them. My husband didn't want one this night, so it was just for my boys and I. So I am taking the rest of our vanilla ice cream out of this carton and putting it into our blender.
Someone who wants me to. I've heard of
And then I'm going to unwrap and add in 6 of these little Andes mint candies.
I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you.
And then I'm just going to pour in some 2% milk. I honestly didn't measure, and I ended up needing to add in some more milk as I blended up the shakes and realized that they were a bit too thick. So basically you just kind of go with what looks good and what tastes good.
And even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is and none of.
And then once it was all blended up and nice and smooth and creamy, I just poured it into some cups and I added some whipped cream and then a cute little Andes mince on the top for a little decoration and to kind of make it feel like a fancy at-home treat. I love to do that. I love to make fancy, inexpensive things at home just to make us feel special, but also save money at the same time. And we enjoyed them. They were delicious. If you like mint chocolate chip or chocolate mint, then definitely try this.
I'm so tired of you. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, will